Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. This week we are on our way back over to the Magic Kingdom. We're gonna go check out Tron, get an update on that. It has been a couple weeks since I've done an update on Tron, so I'm gonna get over there. There's been a lot done with the show building and whatnot, so these videos are actually pretty cool. So hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to hit subscribe and thumbs up. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you to all my subscribers. Make sure you are subscribed. Hit the notification bell wherever that's at. I will see you guys next week. So on the way to the Magic Kingdom, I am Jason. I'm out. Hope you guys enjoy.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
The people